In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine PDF files in Drawboard PDF. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then on here it says free PDF tools, click on that, and then from here it says merge PDF files. Now to combine them, of course, merging is the same, so click on merge PDF files, and in here you can then just basically drag in your files or open them over here. I'm going to actually drag them here from my computer, so let me do this. There we go. I'm going to drag these in, there we go, like that, and as you can see, there's now kind of two pages, and to actually merge or combine the file, first, of course, you can play around and select the order of these pages. I'm going to leave it like this, and then you can add specific pages if you click on the plus button to actually insert files or pages. That's completely up to you, and then when you're done, just click on the merge file, top right, and as you can see, it's going to merge, and whenever that's merged here, of course, this is the preview loading over here, you can just go ahead and download that, open it up, and you'll be able to see. There we go. As you can see, this is now the merged file. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.